This week the NASDAQ has risen in value, and we can see the week started with the strong gap between the open and close price, and we can see after that the prices continue to rise in value. All 5 days were bullish, which means the bulls have entered into the market, and we can see for several weeks the price is rising only in value. This week we can see it is simply a bullish candle formed here on the chart, and it has also formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So currently this is acting as a support, which is also great information for the bulls. The monthly time frame shows me current continuation of the bullish momentum, so we cannot make too much conclusions except this one, that the price is still rising in value, and also the bulls are on the market. There are no sellers currently. So what we can expect for the next week, it is for now the price will try to move even further up, and we can see that first of all the target is 21,509. This is the target I am waiting, and also it is possible to see it on a Monday. But also be careful because of the gap that can happen on a Monday, because after the weekend ends there are gaps that are opens on the market. So feel free to wait for a while until the day starts, and then we'll see how the price will behave, in which direction will go. For now, I'm still bullish oriented because of this strong bullish momentum, where the next resistance that is pretty hard to break will be this one here at 21,799. This will be a little bit harder for the price to make a bullish breakout, because we can see the price has managed to make a bullish breakout 2 times, this here and also this here. So for now, this is all for this week. If you would like to receive a premium updates, which means where there is a bullish or bearish breakout on the market, I share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so feel free to check that. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.